Officer Peterson with Lakeville Police. Worked with Lakeville for a couple years now, work on patrol. Currently we are working Friday nights. We've got Pan-O-Prog going on right now. So right now we're actually in the middle of a car cruise. So we're just making sure that the cruise line is safe for people to be driving down. We got Pan-O-Prog the entire weekend, so starting tonight we have some festivities with some bands. When it comes to that, we have some extra enforcement out to help with traffic safety throughout the downtown area and throughout the entire city to make sure that people are making good choices. Obviously investigating those that might be making poor choices and either educating them or potentially citing or arresting people for violations that might come along.
45-218, I copy your call sign of a public interest. Thank you.
That was the timid guy.
A couple of young adults that are under 21, drunk and disorderly, and one obstructed our officers as they were trying to go about their business. So they're going to jail for a handful of charges. As a new cop, you go through standardized field sobriety, which is the battery of tests and exercises that we do on the side of the road. Then we have advanced roadside, which is more focusing on alcohol and drugs, more on the drug side. Then we have what's called the drug recognition evaluator, which is what I and two others in the agency are. Do you have insurance on the vehicle?
At the moment, no.
Okay. So you don't have a license, we have no insurance, and your tabs aren't current. And we're driving like a bat out of hell.
I'm not trying to, no.
Okay. We're following the cars too close in front of you.
I'm sorry.
When was the last time you had something to drink tonight?
A little while ago. Like
Okay.
maybe a couple hours ago.
Okay. What'd you have?
I had a Windsor.
Okay. All right. Okay. Let's do this. I'm going to have you hop out and come to the front of my squad. But I want you to just pretend there's a rod between your nose and that your head can't move at all. I want you to look at the top of my finger with your eyes only, okay? Once you follow with your eyes and your eyes only and don't move your head, do you understand?
Yes, I
Has
do.
the doctor said anything to you about what's called
So we go through some
naturally
additional training, some extra
steps to have a better understanding of what the body does while they're being impaired by certain drug categories, including alcohol. You can do evaluations to help determine, based upon what we're observing, the totality of everything and what we're seeing. A lot of people have multiple things going on. The two most popular drugs now are alcohol and marijuana or cannabis. That impacts them being able to safely operate a motor vehicle on the roadway and such. So blow, 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 blow. All right. So go ahead and turn around. You are under arrest for impaired driving. Just let your hands go though. Pan-O-Prog Friday night's going to be a little busier. Like I said, we've got a lot of people that come in. Obviously, not only the people that live in the city here, but people that are coming in from all over the county. We even get people that come from all over the state to visit and enjoy the festivities. It does change our approach. It's busier. We have more medicals. We have a little bit more disturbances. We have more traffic flowing through the city. For those that are enjoying adult drinks, keep in mind how much you are drinking and monitor that and maybe keep an eye on when you might need to stop. Otherwise, it's actually usually pretty calm, cool, and collected, and very enjoyable for people to be at. I think that helps by us having the presence that we do.